This BBR kit replaces the stock case saver and cover. Instructions, if you want to pause it there. The instructions don't mention that you need to remove the foot pegs. And you have to remove 3 bolts out of the stator cover. It's these rear 2 and this bottom one. These will get replaced by these fancy titanium bolts. Put this case saver on first and let it dangle there while we put on the support. While we have the case saver sandwiched in there, we're going to put in the bolt for this bottom. This goes through the support and through the case saver. Now I'm going to install these special bolts with this extended collar. And they go through this support bracket. And last, this new sprocket cover. This bolt goes through all 3 pieces. 100 inch-pounds. I like to run my shifters pretty high. It keeps them up out of the dirt more. The support fills this gap between the case and the shifter. It's going to be much stronger. Takes 1.1 quarts. Well, that's it for that job. It's really not too bad of a job if you take your time, have some patience. And if you haven't bent a shifter shaft yet, I do recommend getting a brace. They stick out so far from the case, there's a lot of leverage on there. It's bound to happen eventually. Thanks for watching. Next, I think it's a Royal Enfield Himalayan that I'll be putting back together. See you guys then.